What up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be day trading. I tried to do another live, but for some reason, like, I was 15 minutes in. It's 2:45. I was like 15 something minutes in, and it literally just was so laggy. It wasn't even like you couldn't like see me. I was literally just staying in place, and my screen was so laggy. Not only on the live stream, but it was also laggy in person, but more really laggy on the live stream. So I'm just gonna film a video old-fashioned way. So hope you guys enjoy. I have to explain okay, well, yesterday I made a video of my opinion on making strategies, and I wanted to find my own strategy, or yeah, I just wanted to find my own strategy. So I think we can get into this. So basically, what I saw in the market is, well, I think this is basically just liquidity sweep. But when I trade, I'm not going to be using buy or sell orders. I'm going to use pending orders, and I think they call it, I don't know what they call it, but I call it pending orders. Is when see, like, price is down here, and I put an order to buy when price goes here. It's better. I think it's better because it deals with the way problem of patience and waiting for the best entry. So, and I can just go to sleep, bro. Like, I just gotta wait. The only thing I have to wait for is a drop down. I mean, I'd like a drop down, but I don't know if it's gonna go down anymore. We've had a lot of down lately. Let me mark down this. Hello? No, I can definitely go more down, bro. Yeah. No, we can place about down orders, most definitely. Fuck it. Yeah. But so basically this is how I'm thinking, guys. Fucking big. And then I'm gonna put my stop loss high. I saw in this video, I think it's like UK spreads. They had a weird name. It had nothing to do with the video, but it was this old man on a podcast. He was talking about, like, you want to think about trading like a bank, not a retail trader. And where most people, retail traders, put their stop losses, you want to put place an order, and see how much times your stop loss will get hit. So that is that. I want to target. We can put our stop losses pretty freaking high if we're gonna be putting our take profit pretty low, because I really think that this would work. But to consider a valid price point, I would have to. The thing would at least have to be like, so like you see here is drop. So where's to here? That's 33 spin. That's a really big drop. Like I would honestly take like freaking like I would take that most definitely, maybe even this 24%, because look, it still goes up and goes down. But mainly I'd probably like to target the highs for optimal entry. I think what a lot of traders don't really like pay attention to is optimal entry and stop losses and risk. It's really important, and people kind of just don't really care about it because I mean it's boring. But so right here, this is kind of like a swing trading, day trading thing because I'm not gonna close the thing until um I'm not gonna close it until the I get my take profits get hit. So I don't know how high I should put this. My stop losses for maybe for 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, something like that. So it is. There's a really low chance my stop loss would get hit. You know, that doesn't get hit. My take profit gets hit. 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 Do you guys see this? Like, hit. Not even close to take profit. I mean, stop loss. This won't get hit, sadly. Or like the order won't get hit. But, so this order won't get hit. How much is this? 16. I think anything really like above a 15 I'll take. And of course we can edit that in the future to get more of a this almost gets hit, but nope. Gets hit eventually. 4 days though, that's kinda I don't like that though. We probably want to go for the most recent high, but I don't know. Because guys, if it's going oh my gosh, take profit gets smashed. But yeah, I'm gonna be looking for just big moves down to the upside and then big move to the downside. That's all I'm looking for. And then I put it my pending. Once I find it, put pending order to sell. And I think that price is still not done going down, like the trend. I think this is in the hourly. This might be going into a retracement. So if anything, we can maybe go like for a nice long. Kind of broke it, but I mean, definitely had a shift. So yeah, I'm gonna be waiting for a low to get something to get hit, and on the 5-minute time frame. That's what I'm looking for. So, well, no, we don't even. No, guys, we don't need a drop up. We just need a drop down. That's literally all we need. Like this. It doesn't really have a big up. It's kind of consolidating. Drop down. we need it down, then up. Okay, yeah, I was right at first base, because if it doesn't go, I'll probably press no to low. Or high. Yeah, I guess so. I'd probably say at least 15%, bro. 15%, and we can get this. I honestly don't think it doesn't have to be that high. Like, as long as, like, even this shit, bro. Like, look at this. Little smileys and, like, still gets friggin' smashed. Let's go very back. Let's go now. This does not work for uptrends as much. It does though, but like this, it gets. Oh wait, this is also a freaking one for on the hourly. So put a post order here. Boom, boom. Look at that, guys. Bow, 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 bow. Market opens in 4 minutes. And this is technically like the best day for trading, I have heard. Hopefully the fees aren't too much. I'm pretty sure on Wednesdays the fees is like tripled for something. I don't know what, but okay, wait, hold up. No, I just realized. But if we do that, we just let it sit. When the trend reverses, it's just gonna go right through it. So, don't think that's a good idea. I don't know. I think I'm gonna only have it open for like a day. I don't want to hold this for too long. Max maybe like 2 nights. But yeah. Oh wait. Technically you can see, if you guys see this, this is a big drop down. And this is a big drop down. but once this gets filled, I'm just gonna hold it for as till the take profit gets hit, I guess. So like that. So this bitch gets hit. Rally, maybe, hopefully, and then right here, bro. Like market has opened. Trade locking. Pending. So hopefully this shit works, bro. Right. Price close up to 818488. My stop loss would be 1.18641. Take profit would be 1.18182. So if we did this, my stop loss would be 23 bucks, and then my take profit would be 46. All right, well, let's do this. Set limit. Okay. And then I'm going to be monitoring it on my school Chromebook to see if, just in case it turns into just a full-on fucking reversal. So I placed the pending order. I wonder if this would count. Should we mark that down? Guess we could. Pending. So. Stop loss. Stop loss 1.8419. Wait, no. 184. Take profit be 1.1. Okay, I just put another draft order. So these are accurate. If it hits this price, it's gonna be an order. I honestly might adjust it to like this and this. Yeah, I'm gonna change this. Wait, what? Oh shit, wait. 1, 7. Oh shit, wait. God damn it. 7, 8, 3, 5. This is more accurate. Confirm. So we literally could just not even like, we could literally just dip right now and just go to sleep. I have my fucking analysis, but just want to record a little bit more. And I want to look at the bigger time frames with you guys. Let's go on 30 minutes. Yeah, I still think that we have some potential to go down. Reason being, I mean, look at this. What is it? This is a low, and there's still way more layers of liquidity. But yeah, I think they didn't. Selling power couldn't push it down past these lows because it didn't even sweep them. So wait a second. Yeah, I think it still has some selling power though. Me personally, I don't know. I just think that it at least has to get down to this price point. So if we wanted to start to take profits, but I don't want to do that. So yeah, what time is it? We've only recorded for 23 minutes, so this would be a short minute, and this will only, it's only 10 minutes into the freaking market open. So we're gonna have to chill. Honestly, realistically, I don't think it's gonna honestly probably hit this second order. But I mean, 2 orders at a time isn't really that bad. It just means double the profits if you win, but also the opposite. But honestly, if this one gets hit, I'm probably just gonna close this one. People say London session's the best for Forex, but I don't even think that's true. Because all the big moves happen at fucking New York, bro. Like, bro, everything happens at 10 and 8. Except for this bitch. Doesn't really start ripping to like 6. Yeah, bro, all these are fucking 10 and 9. If this drops down, this would also be a thing that I can mark down and place another order off of. I think I put $40 on the other pending orders, so yeah. Hopefully I won't have to pay too much fees. I really can't wait to pass a funding account. Just thinking about it makes me super excited. Bro, funding account, I can't wait. But that's my next goal. That's my goal. So let me put that down, my goals. Funded. Like pass. Honestly, I don't even care about this. I feel like it's just, I just care about dropshipping. I want to start a funded trading in passive challenge by 2026. So I also think it's my market this might be one for the market. Ooh, it's so cold, god damn it. I was literally just staying in my room, tired as fuck, 2 minutes after I woke up, deciding if I should bring a hoodie. And as you guys can see, I didn't, so. Because my parents saw me and going, like, leaving upstairs, because, like, after I'm done, or if I need to get water, if they catch me doing that, I can just pretend like I'm sleepwalking, or, like, just thirsty and getting a drink in the middle of the night. But if I have a hoodie on, that's just weird. But honestly, look at it. Just gotta stare at these markets, bro. No, it's not big enough of a sweep. I mean, no, it's not. I don't even think that's a sweep. But up or down doesn't really matter, honestly. Up, that means you could try to target for one of the pending orders, but if it goes down, it'll create another swing down, which will create a high, and then that's what I'm gonna. Cause I think, cause London, I feel like this should be how it is. London will get my bias and will get me like get highs and mark down like things, but New York is when the price actually moves and the big move happens. So that's when my orders will actually get filled or placed and filled and maybe take profit. So Yeah, this is good. 17%. I think it's like 20 ticks or pips or something. I don't know what that number is. It said negative 20.1. I don't know if that's ticks or pips, or if ticks and pips are the same thing, or it just doesn't mean, it just means a whole different thing. God damn it, bro. It's so cool. I've been so tired lately. Like, bro, school's been tired as shit. So if I can get out of here and if this is what I'm gonna look for before going to sleep. A breaking structure, a closure below this line, so it shows that it went down, and then I'm gonna place a trade with that to be yeah, guys. I think I'm leaning towards, like, I feel like my personal opinion, like my trading style would probably be swing trading. I feel like, or just swing day trading, but something in the middle, because I don't hold my shit for like weeks, but like it's just the price takes a minute for it to move, and it always, in my case, it probably will. I would probably hold until my take profits get hit. I'd hold it till like too long. So I'm getting sleep deprived, bro. I'm so tired. Tomorrow's gonna be so nice. I'm gonna fucking. I don't have to wake up tomorrow, bro. It's gonna be so glorious. But let me I'll be honest. That feeling when I get done trading, and it's like three something, 4, feels fucking awesome to get back in bed when you're freezing cold. You get your bed, it's warm, soft. You fat sleep, bro, for like 2 hours and then wake up. So that's that. What is price doing, bro? Is it? Oh shit. I wonder if there's any. I mean, Nah, I'd need it a little bit more up. If this one down, this candle right now, go down, that'd be pretty awesome. You see, that'd be perfect, bro. If if this candle would just go down here, that'd be a perfect spot to put a penny wire, my opinion. Cause price is still gonna rip down, bro. No, it is. No, for a fact it is. My butt is itchy. I might be doing a compliment, doesn't compliment. So I do not to give a shit. Come on, yeah. Cause they think that the only thing that's happened in this fucking time period is like nothing really. Dude, this order is fat. Did I put this too big? Didn't just rip ass. Bro, can this fucking move? I'm so tired. I'm sorry. Monday I was feeling so energized. Now I'm already tired as hell, but it's probably because the fatigue didn't go on me yet. And plus, it was on Tuesday. Or no, it was on Monday. Monday, I went to sleep at like 11 something, 11:30. This makes zero sense. I don't get it. Sunday night, I went to sleep at like 11:30. And I woke up at like 2:30, which is literally 3 hours. 3 hours of sleep. And then I didn't feel tired at all. And, yeah. But when I did go back to sleep, I slept to like 10 something. But now I can't have to wake up at 6:45. God damn it. Oh yeah, one more day of the week. So. Price is looking good. I mean, it looks like it's about to go down. Just looking at it. Or unless this probably will go up a little bit, maybe get this high. The reason why I didn't mark it down is because it just doesn't have a lot of up and then down, just a little up and down. Like this is just a little retracement. That green is just a little bit of retracement. But I cannot stay awake. I'm so burnt out just from this week. But I'll work everyone, bro. I highly doubt as a kid, single kid up right now, doing any kind of online business. I really don't think anyone's up right now. But it's just the shit you're gonna put up with. Future me is gonna be looking back at this shit and be like, you did all that for a reason. But right now it's kind of shitty, just blindfolded and going through life. Yesterday I said I'd do a lot of work. I didn't do shit because I walked after school and hung out with my friends, but I really gotta stop. I really want to go to the gym, but every time I walk with my friends, I always end up like going just to make a fucking fire. And then I'm gonna be like, it's just one day, and then that happened the whole week. I haven't went home once because I don't want to go on the bus mainly. I hate the bus. I don't know. When I record trades, it kind of puts a burden on me, and I don't get to focus on my trades fully. And I feel like trading is the most important thing right now. I don't think no one even watches my videos, so I don't see the point in doing it. But yeah, the only people who care is when I'm profitable. But I think that I should trade on my own. I could trade on my own. Trade on my own. Yeah. Okay. So this is what I'm thinking. Look, I think I can go to sleep because like 6:45, or I could honestly just set an alarm to wake up at like 5 or at 5 or 4, like at like 5:30, and then just to check it, get my phone, check it real quick, then go back to sleep. But I do think this is probably gonna drop, so. But yeah, like I'm saying, I don't know. I just feel like when I record all this, it doesn't really like put me on like track with day trading. I feel like it'd just be better if I didn't record. Also, yeah, this thing's gonna rip down. Y'all think? I think it would be a better idea if I did that, bro. If I did it right here, because technically this is a move up, move down. Technically it is, but I'm just gonna place an order, bro. For that, bro. So expect me not to post as much day trading. I'll post updates like my trades. So yeah, sorry guys if you guys didn't want to hear that, but I don't know. I just don't feel like recording. I don't know. It just kind of less focuses me doing this, so like I can do my own thing. Cause what I would do in this situation is I'd probably go to sleep for 1 hour, wake up again, look at my charts for like 5 minutes, just to check everything, go back to sleep, and yeah, basically just do that. That's what I'm thinking. And then also, when I'm at school, I go on my Chromebook a lot to go. I look at the charts and monitor my positions. So I definitely want to, and it's hard to record that, bro, because it's hard to record it because I can't, and I don't want to have to spend all this shit in time, like getting this video and getting this clip and getting this clip from like 5 hours apart, combine them, and then do another like 2 clips to combine them, and then it just gets annoying to sort, and I feel like the more important thing is not trading, because I'm not even getting any views. Like, no one's watching my videos. I have 2 subscribers. I get like no views, so I don't think there's any point. No one's watching this right now, but yeah, the only time that really matters when to post content is when I'm filthy rich, when I pass funding accounts, when I get millions of bucks. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video here. Love you guys.